Welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Good. Okay, today our topic is pictograph in data handling. Chapter 8 data handling exercise 8.2. Okay, pictograph. What is pictograph? See, pictograph means pictures. Pictures and graph. Okay, pictures, graph. Using pictograph, given data we will show in pictures. That is pictograph. And graph, what is graph? Graph means data. This is data. Data already we know, collection of information. Okay, collection of information. Data is nothing but collection of information. So this is pictograph. Using pictograph, given data we will show in pictures. That is the pictograph. And the scale. Scale is very important. This is very important. Scale. In pictographs we will use the scale. Okay, see the example of pictograph. See, the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a week are as follows. A factory manufactured watches in a week. 6 days, Monday to Saturday, how many watches manufactured by factory? They are asking show in pictures, show in pictograph. How to show the pictures, pictograph in given data. Okay, let us see the sum. See, first we have what we have to do, we have to find out the scale. How to write the scale? See, scale. Okay, scale, which is the smallest number of given data. 250, 275. See, 250 is the smallest number. So take 250 as a divisor, and which is the greatest number of given data? 400. Take 400 as a dividend. Okay. See, 250 ones are 250. 250 twos are 500. Don't go till 2. 250 ones are 250. It is subtracting. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, we can't subtract. So, borrow 1 from 4. It becomes 10. And it becomes 3. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. And again, take 150 as a divisor and 250 as a dividend. Scale is nothing but greatest common divisor of given data. So, find the greatest common divisor. How to find the greatest common divisor? Like this you have to count. Okay. 150 ones are again. 150 twos are 300. So, take 150 ones are 150. Again subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Again take 100 as a divisor and 150 as a dividend. 150. This 150 we have to take as a dividend. 100 ones are 100. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0. Before the number 0, no need to write. For 50. Again 100 as a dividend. 52s are 50. Okay. 52s are 100. 0. This is remainder. Okay. 50 is so 50 is the greatest common divisor of given data. Is it right or wrong? Check once. It must be it should be divide given data. Exact 50 should be greatest common divisor of given data. So check the given data. 300, 50 is dividing 300. Yes. 350 also. Okay. 250, 400, 300, 275. Maybe it is not dividing. See, check once. This is doubt. So check once. 275 is dividing with 50 or not. 270 exact divisor of 50. So 250 5s are 250, 25 is remaining. So it is not dividing. Exact divisible of, it is not exact divisor of 275. So 50 is not a GCD. 50 is not GCD. So check the second smallest number. With after 250, which is the smallest number? 275. So take 275 and 50 as a divisor. Okay. 50 5s are 250. Okay. 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2, and take 25 as a divisor and 50 as a dividend. 25 2s are 50. Okay, so this is the exact remainder, exact number of given data. This is the GCD. Okay, GCD. So take scale of given data 25. So take scale is equal to 25. Okay, scale one watch. Scale means one watch is equal to 25. One watch is equal to 25. It means it is picture and this is numerical part. One picture of watch is equal to 25 number of watches. Okay, don't confuse. You need to check the scale of given data. Okay. And write Monday. Is it checking? Is it dividing exact divisor of given data or not? You have to check. 300. Monday. 300 by 25. 25 1s are 25. 5 25. 2s are 50. So 12 watches. Okay. And again Tuesday 350. 350 by 25. 25 1s are 25. 10 25. 4s are 100. 25 14s are 350. 14 watches. Company manufacture 14 watches. Means 14 watches means 350 watches. Number of 350 watches in pictorial method. 14 watches. Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday is 250. 250 by 25. 25 10s are 250. So 10 watches. Okay, 10 watches. And Thursday 400. 400 divided by 25. 25 1s are 25. 25 40 minus 25. 40 minus 25, 30, 40, 15, 150. 150 means 16 maybe it is. 25 6s are 150. Okay, 16 watches. Thursday and Friday. Friday. Friday 300. 300 by 25. 25 1 jar 25. Again we got 12. Okay, 25 12 jar. So 12 watches. 12 watches. And Saturday. Okay, Saturday 275 by 25. 11 watches. Number of 275 watches is equal to 11 watches in pictures. So now you draw the pictograph of given data. Okay, how to draw the pictograph of given data? Write days and watches and total watches. Okay, total watches. Day Monday. Monday watches 300 by 25. 12 watches. 12 watches in pictures. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, see the pictograph of given date. See, Monday 12 watches in pictures. Draw 12 watches, total watches. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And Tuesday 14 watches represent the 300 number of 350 watches. So write 14 watches, draw the 14 watches. And again 10 watches. 16 watches, draw the 16 number of total watches. See, 16, 400 divides 25, 25 divides 400 as a 16. 16 times. 16 watches. And Friday 12 watches. Draw 12 watches. Saturday 11 watches. Draw 11 watches. So this is the pictograph of given data. Using pictograph, we will show the neat presentation. Okay, this is the pictograph of given data. Thank you for watching.